Hello and welcome to Joe and Hill's Adventures. Look at weather. About time we got some good weather to go in, and it's nice and warm but windy. Very windy. We're on our way to Blackpool. We set off from Barnsley. It's going to take us about 9 hours, no connecting flight.
On the part of the server to act upon this.
Hello, welcome to Blackpool. Really tired after 2 days of driving. And we'll be there, we've done it non-stop. Can't take much more, I don't think. I'm going to have to go to the pub.
Second exit to Eden Way.
Blackpool Tower in the distance. God help them all.
Summertime, here is summertime. Two little kids with a sunny afternoon for you.
Joanne's on gin again.
In a rubbish glass.
Old club, old school club style. Welcome to the Fun Factory. Look who we've got here. Look what she's on gin already.
At the Greatest Showman.
Here you go, we're at the Circus Museum. Here we go, there's a clown here. This one is a clown. Yep, the Circus Museum. Alright. Hello. Oh, there's been some right puddings here. The end.
Watching the woman in black.
Very spooky. Could always cut it, can't I?
Take the picture then.
No, no. It's still working.